Hi, welcome to Blessed Brown Kitchen. So I'm going to show you how to make your own Easter bun from home, Jamaican spicy bun. So the first thing, I'm going to show you all of the dry ingredients before I go to the wet ingredients. So I have 3 cups of flour, already all-purpose flour. It has already sieved. I'm using a tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. This is all of the dry ingredients. So I'm going to whip all of it together. So this is all of the wet ingredients I'm going to use. I'm using a mortar, three tablespoons of water, a cup of honey, tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1 teaspoon of browning, 1 egg, and some melted butter. So the amount of butter what I'm using is 4 tablespoons. We're going to whip now. I'm using 1 cup of blend sugar. And why I blend my sugar? Because it's easier to melt. You see, it turns powder when you blend your sugar, so you don't have anything like sugar grain to take you long to mix out now. So I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients now. Small amount first. Look at it. You see, you don't have any sugar grain inside of it. You see it? Everything is already mixed out. So we're going to mix until everything combined together. Add a cup of raisin, Remember, you're going to bake it for 1 hour. And remember to pre-warm your oven. So I'm going to put some cherry. If you want, you can put the cherry from inside when you're mixing it, but I'm putting, when I finish, I'm putting the cherry on it, okay? So in here I have some boiled sugar and water to get to go on the bun. Some boiled sugar and water. So the bun is come from underneath the oven, so we're going to test it if it bake. See it? There is nothing on the knife, that means that the bun is baked. So here we have some boiled sugar and water. We're going to take it and put on the bun before the bun cool.